Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to online classes and have a pleasant morning to all of you. Well, now Ajay Kumar, your English teacher, is going to start a new topic, that is the Macavity, the mystery cat. Well, dear student, now before we should start this poem, reading the poem, I just like to introduce you this mystery cat from a documentary film or movie from where I have taken this scene to introduce you about to the mystery cat, how they behave, how they travel in the jungle, and what are their daily routines, right? So here we go. Let us see the clip of this mystery cat, and then we'll start the reading part.
Mysterious, elusive, solitary. The American bobcat, ancient presence of myth and legend, able to appear and disappear at will. Native Americans saw animals as messengers, connecting us to the great mystery of life, sharing lessons from Mother Earth on how to live in harmony with all creation. When we see them, legend says, the animals are offering us their wisdom. But we only see them when they allow us to. And bobcats can be very selective about this. They are so rarely seen by humans and so well camouflaged that even when we look right at them, we may not know what we're seeing.
Bobcats, they're amazing animals, obviously. They can appear out of nowhere. They can move so quietly that you have no idea they're there.
In 1996, the town of Kiowa Island hired its first full-time wildlife biologist and began the Bobcat Research Project, working in partnership with the newly formed Kiowa Conservancy. This project proved to be the beginning of more than 20 years of significant and successful partnering between the town and the Conservancy.
Yeah, well, my interactions with bobcats go back a long way. Research on bobcats.
Hey guys, so whatever you have seen about the mysterious cat, that was just a glimpse of the teaching about cat, mysterious cat, what we are going to read about, Macavity, the mystery cat. This is written by T.S. Eliot, a very famous and renowned author, playwright, and storyteller of his own time. And this poem we are going to read about the Macavity is also known as the mystery cat. And I'll try to explain each part in a very simple way so that you can understand this poem and enjoy the poem also. Right? So in the starting, the poet says that, do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, right? Somehow it is right, but Macavity is one for sure. Now, why Macavity is the mysterious cat and why it is for sure? We'll learn it in the poem and we'll just know more about Macavity. Now, what is that makes him a perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. So, in this poem, the author is saying that to know more about Macavity, you'll have to read the poem, and then you'll come to know how Macavity was called the mystery cat. So, now let's start the reading part. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paws, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. the flying squads disappear. For when they reach the scene of crime, McAvity is not there. So, dear student, now in first para, I'll just go ahead with the word meaning first. What is the word meaning of defy? Now, defy means, let me take the magic pen here. Defy means to refuse or to obey somebody or something. Defy means to refuse to obey somebody or something. Now, next one is bafflement. Now, here is the bafflement of a Scotland Yard. Bafflement means a person who confuses others. Those are called bafflement, right? Baffled person, you can say. Now, the next one is disappear. Disappear means the state of having lost all hope, right? And there's nothing in this para. So let me explain it this for you. Now, the poet says that McAvity is a mystery cat, and why McAvity is called mystery cat? Because he has hidden paw. The paw, legs, that is very furry, and it sounds so like sofa type of you can say a paddy, something like that. So that's why it is called hidden paw, because there is no sound produced while walking, while jumping, or while doing any crime, right? Now, the McAvity cat is very much involved in robbing the things, destroying the things, drinking milk, and all that. And the poet also says that for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. And in this line, the poet says actually McAvity as a master criminal. A master criminal is a person who breaks the laws. Defy, I told you what is the meaning of defy: to refuse or to obey the law. So whatever the laws are made for this human, but McAvity is not caring about that and breaking all the laws wherever McAvity is going. There is the bafflement of a Scotland Yard. A Scotland Yard is like as a cop, police, actually McAvity is confusing them more of the time whenever they are going to catch them. When the flying squad are reaching there to catch that McAvity cat, McAvity is getting disappeared. Disappeared means the state of having lost all hope, like they are going with the full intention of catching that cat, but and the last they are not having any positive result out of that. Next line says that for when they reach the scene, the crime activity is not there. So it is said like whenever the cops are going there to find or to catch the McAvity, McAvity is disappeared from there. Now McAvity, there is no one like McAvity. And this line, poet is just praising McAvity's amusement, the nonsense, whatever. So he's comparing McAvity like there is no one on this earth who is like McAvity. Now he has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. In this para, the poet says that why there is no one like McAvity, because as human also fears of breaking laws, but McAvity does not. Why? Because he is so perfect in doing nonsense thing, and he does not care because he is so expert in disappearing, right? The poet also says that he breaks the law of gravity. Can you break the law of gravity? No one, I suppose, unless you are above the surface of earth somewhere in Mars or somewhere like on other planet, right? But the McAvity is master in that, breaking the law of gravity also. Now why? Because he has the power of levitation. Now what is levitation? Levitation means to fly in air without any support. You can walk in the air. So when he does this, even this power of levitation makes him different from other, and that's why a fakir, what is fakir is a religious person like priest who lives alone. So they are also staring, looking at Macavity, constantly, that how a cat can do these all things, from where he is getting all the powers, right? Now, in next para, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I'll tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. So, in this para, actually, poet says, whenever any scene of crime is brought in the picture to the cop, and cops are reaching there, Macavity is not found there, and the cops are looking for him either and either, like basement, they goes for basement to look for him, even they are going upstairs, on the roof, in the balcony, everywhere, right? But the poet is sure that Macavity will not be found there also. That's why he is telling that once and once again he will say Macavity will not be found. Now, Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brows is deeply lined with thoughts. His head is highly domed. So now in this para, the poet has described the Macavity's look. You can see how the Macavity look is given here in the picture. Now ginger, what is called ginger? Ginger is a type of, I think, a medicine also, and a vegetable also. But the ginger color is like, so color of the ginger has been taken, given to this Macavity's figure, a light brownish color, right? So Macavity is a ginger cat. That's why ginger is the adjective of Macavity is here, and he's very tall and thin. You can see him in the picture, and you would know him if you saw him. And the poet says, if you don't know him, if you have not seen him, you can't know, you can't even recognize who is Macavity. And for his eyes are sunken. When the poet is talking about the eyes of Macavity, he says that his eyes are sunken means like below the water, like it is poured into the water, deep eyes, you can say, right? His brows is deeply lined with thoughts, like the way we start thinking, putting pressure on our eyebrows when we are thinking deeply. So you can see here in this picture how his eyebrows are lined deeply with the thoughts, like he's planning something dangerous, right? And his head is highly domed, and the head is compared with a dome. Now, what is dome? Dome is the topest, you can say, part of the like mosque or temple, that is called dome, right? So this is the figurative structure given here in this poem by the poet about Macavity. Now his coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed, he sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake, and when you think he's half asleep, is always wide awake. And this the poem is telling about the things here he's using. He's using a coat which is dusty and from neglect, like he does not care whether the coat is getting dust from outside or not, but he do wear those all things. However, his whiskers are uncombed, like the hair which is, this is called whiskers, you can see the long hairs, like as we human are having, the males are having. So the whiskers are uncombed, and he sways. Now sways, word meaning sways, swing or shake. So whenever he's walking, actually he's just pretending to act like as a snake. You might have seen a snake when they walks, when they when they are just walking on the creeping on the ground, how they are careful, how they are watching either and thither, so that no enemy can trace them or catch them, right? So in the same way, the movement of Macavity is shown here. The poet also says that don't take him for granted that he has fall asleep, right? He's always as half asleep. He never sleeps completely. He is always wide awake. So if you are thinking about him, if you are taking for granted that the Macavity has slept, you might be wrong, and you will be wrong. It will be proven by the Macavity only. Now Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but whenever a crime is discovered, the Macavity is not there. So the poet is praising Macavity's name again and again. Why? Because there is no one like Macavity. Whatever the Macavity does is an unique activity, and for he is a fiend. Now fiend means F-I-E-N-D. Fiend means a very cruel person, a person who does not care about others' feelings. And in feline shape, feline is like connected with an animal or cat family. So when we talk about the cat family, feline shape fiend is there. Macavity has been compared with feline shape fiend, and he is also compared as a monster of depravity. Now monster, what is the monster? A creature that is ugly, large and threatening, from which people used to feel scared or like that. And depravity means the state of being morally bad. So when you see this all unique what we can call gesture of Macavity, what you will call him? A friendly cat or a fiend feline shape monster cat? Definitely you'll call him fiend in feline shape, a monster cat, which always like to or love to tease other persons and disturb them. The poet also says that you cannot catch him unless he wants, Macavity wants, but you can meet him in a by street. Whenever you are crossing any street, so you can see him, you can meet him, but when any crime is discovered by him, like when he has committed any crime, and then after you are trying to catch him, then it is impossible, because Macavity will be not found there. So dear student, the poem ends here, and I'll just request all of you to go through this glossary, working with the poem, right? And if you are having any more problem in this exercises, you may ask me privately. You may text me in the comment section box. I'll reply your question, and even I'll provide you the home assignment for this chapter. You can download the link given in the description box. So dear student, this was it for today. Now we'll meet next day with some another interesting topic and chapter. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.